My name is Nazar Al-Jamie. I'm with AJ Electric, and I'm an instructor here at WildTech. I'd like to go over a simple series circuit containing 3 resistors. We'll solve for total resistance, total current, and voltage drops at each resistor. Let's get started. Our first thing that we want to do is make an answer grid so we have somewhere to put our answers. We'll draw an answer grid here. We'll fill it in with our values E, I, and R. We'll leave room to put our resistors in there. R1, R2, R3, and our total values. Now, we can take a look at our circuit and we can go ahead and start filling in our answer grid. We know the value of R1 is 10 ohms. We know the value of R2 is 20 ohms, and the value of R3 is 30 ohms. The other value that we were given is our voltage, 120 volt. Now that we've got our 120 volt, we can use Ohm's law to assist us with this. In a series circuit, we know that these resistance values are all additive, so are our voltage values, and our current values are common. So we'll label those columns. 10, 20, and 30 ohms adds up to 60 ohms. That's our RT, our total resistance. Now we know that we've got our 120 volts, our 60 ohms. With that information, we look at our Ohm's law chart here, and we see that if we're looking for our current, that's voltage divided by resistance. So if we take this 120 volts divided by the 60 ohms, we're going to get 2 amps as our current. That 2 amps is common throughout the circuit. So we'll go ahead and label it at each location. Now we can use Ohm's law again. If we're solving for voltage, that tells us current times resistance. We come here, our current times resistance, 2 times 10 is 20 volts. 2 times 20 is 40 volts, and 2 times 30 is 60 volts. Now we can check our work by seeing if these add up. 20, 40, and 60, they do add up to 120. Our amperage is common, and our resistance does add up. An additional check is, can we use Ohm's law down here? If we divide 120 by 2, do we get 60? Yes, we do. And if we divide 120 by 60, we get 2. All of our answers check out. That's how we solve a simple series circuit for voltage, resistance, and current. Thank you very much.